1. What is returned by the prompt method if a dialog box is displayed, text is entered, and the OK button is clicked? A. A string value. B. A Boolean value. C. A null value. D. None of the above. Two. Which of the following commands, given a date object named DueDate, sets the month to February? A. DueDate.setMonth. B. DueDate.setMonth. C. DueDate.setMonth. D. DueDate.setMonth. 3. What occurs when a user chooses a new option from a select list? A. The change event. B. The click event. C. The select event. D. The double-click event. Four. What will the test variable be after the following line has been executed if the count variable has a value of 1? Test variable equals errors, error. A. 1. B. Error. C. Count. D. Errors. Five. What math object function can be utilized to get the biggest value returned from the data supplied to it? A. The math.abs method. B. The math.max method. C. The math.ceil method. D. The math.pound method. Six. You can obtain a pointer to the text node by using the firstChild attribute to show data in a span element. What text node property can you use to set the value shown in the span element, then? A. The value property. B. The node value property. C. The message property. D. The text property. 7. Which of the subsequent operators does not do type coercion? A. B. C. D. Eight. Recent data loss occurred on a web server that was set up to use TLS with AES GCM 256, SHA 384, and ECDSA. Select the factor that is most likely to be the cause. A. Weak cipher suite. B. Poor implementation. C. Insufficient key bit length. D. Unauthenticated encryption method. Nine. Select the statement about system vulnerabilities that is true from the following. I. A system threat is a vulnerability. 2. An exploitable flaw in a system's design is referred to as a vulnerability. 3. Protocols, operating systems, applications, hardware, and system design all have vulnerabilities. 4. Exploits known as vulnerabilities are found in software and hardware products every day. A. 2 and 4. B. I and 2. C. I and 4. D. 2 and 3. Ten. Which hashing algorithm among the following is the least secure? A. SHA-1. B. DA. C. MD5. D. RIPEMD. 11. Which 3 threats are based on email? Spam and assaults using attachments, email address forgery, and insufficient user authentication. A, I, 3 and 4. B, 2, 3 and 4. C, I, 2 and 3. D, I, 2 and 4. Determine the cause of the difficulty in monitoring security caused by HTTPS traffic. A, large packet header. B, encryption. C, signature detection takes longer. D, SSL interception. 13. Select the TCP port that SSL TLS for HTTPS communication uses. A, TCP 563. B, TCP 443. C, TCP 626. D, TCP 80. Which of the following would satisfy the multi-factor authentication requirements? A, voice recognition and retina scan. B, fingerprint and password. C, username, PIN and employee ID number. D, smart card and hardware token. The setCookie method in PHP takes a necessary parameter and 5 optional arguments to construct a cookie. A, path. B, expires. C, value. D, name. Which of the following does not qualify as a PHP state management tool? A, cookies. B, hidden form fields. C, query strings. D, functions. Use the PHP function to establish a connection to a MySQL database server. A, miscli connect. B, open connect. C, open miscli. D, connection miscli. 18. What syntax should be used to create a temporary cookie with the value blue? A, set cookie. B, set cookie. C, $color equals set cookie. D, set cookie. Information about the session status is kept in the $session. A, cookie. B, function. C, script. D, auto global. It can be added to the end of a URL as a technique to keep data safe after a visitor has seen the page. A, auto global. B, query string. C, identifier. D, function. Learn the basics of web programming. Whether you are considering a career in web design or programming, it is important that you know exactly what it is that you are getting into. Web development can be defined as the work involved in developing websites, from the development of a simple static page to developing complex web applications. Web programming is the coding and programming that is used to develop web pages and applications. Several programming languages are used for web development. These languages have been developed to meet the needs of different types of developers. These languages are used to create games, sites, and work area applications. Web programming languages are usually divided into backend and front-end languages. Java is an object-oriented language that is used for a variety of web applications. It is platform-independent, has good security features, and has well-maintained libraries and APIs. It is considered to be one of the best programming languages for web development. Several well-maintained IDEs and frameworks are also available.